Welcome in Newsroom. It stands for News in Research in Occupational and Environmental Medicine. I'm Professor Alexis Descata. I'm from France. I'm the head of the Occupational Health Unit in Paris Hospital of Garches, and also an emergency practitioner in the emergency medical system of our district, and a researcher into INSERM unit, um, teaching from the Versailles University. And finally, I'm the editor-in-chief of a French journal called Les Archives des Maladies Professionnelles et de l'Environnement. I decided to create a new playlist in YouTube to give a short presentation of a recent paper published or indexed in Pubmed in English that bring news insight for occupational practitioners that don't have time to read all the very interesting literature that come every week. Of course, I'm not a professional video makers, and I'm French, as you could see from my English, and I try to do my best to be understandable, but sometimes I will do some mistakes. Then, regularly, every 2 weeks, I will try to be quite regular. I will, using Pubmed, find and screen main occupational uh, health journal article published, and also occupational papers from high-ranked journals to be included, and select only one papers. That's I will try to do my best to summarize and to give a fair presentation of limitation, and try to highlight the implication for the health practitioner. Of course, there's many cautions that I should raise now. First, this is my work. It is limited and subjective point of view. This is mine. This is not my institution. That's why it's very important that you read, if you're interested of the paper, that you read the paper itself. I will give you the web link from Pubmed to have access, even though I can't give you access to the paper itself because it's restricted as dealing with the copyright. I'm also a main conflict of interest is, as I said previously, I'm the editor-in-chief of a French journal dealing with occupational health called Les Archives des Maladies Professionnelles et de l'Environnement from Elsevier Masson Group. I decided to not include any of my paper published in the journal, so that there's the conflict of interest will be limited. You will find the summary in French published in our paper, however. So now to be continued, and I hope you will join us and like our new playlist video newsroom. Bye. See you next week.